Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Kate, a designer and pattern editor here at Sallie Tomato. Day 5 surprise is going to be extra special. Day 5. We can't wait for you to see what our elves have gathered up for this day. It's a whole lot of cuteness in one little package. Today brings a touch of charm to your sewing kit with some fun collectible enamel pins. This 3-pack of sewing-themed enamel pins features a heart-shaped needle and thread, a quilted bag, and a vintage sewing machine. These pins are perfect for decorating sewing bags, bulletin boards, or using as small gifts for fellow makers. They add a playful, festive touch to any sewing space. We hope these little treasures inspire creativity and add a whimsical touch to your projects. We can't wait to open the rest of this year's Advent box with you. You can still purchase this year's Advent box if there are any left in stock on our website. If we have sold out, we've added a link below for you to join our newsletter group so you'll be notified when the 2026 Advent box releases. Don't forget to pin your creations and share them online. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching and join us for the next surprise package.